bring in the New Year's with us as we recap our favorite cruise moments of 2025. Say welcome back, everyone.
Welcome back, everyone.
We are gearing up to go to one of our friends' house to bring in the New Year's with them. And so we're like scrounging as well as me trying to give you guys a recap of 2025. So you're going to see us here and then you also will see us over there at their house. But right now we're going to start with one of our top moments that we absolutely love. You know, we have to start with my favorite ship, the Disney Treasure. And one of the reasons why I love the Disney Treasure so much is the character interactions. Like right here we have Hook, Smeed, and Nathaniel decided he wanted to tell Captain Hook that he don't like pirates.
He just said that he doesn't like pirates. No. I'm sorry. You be careful with that.
And so Captain Hook, being who he is, he got upset and mad. He doesn't even want to stand next to him in the photo. And then after we take our picture, we hear Peter Pan doing his rooster call.
No! It's Peter Pan! Ah!
Which was hilarious. That was like such a magical moment. Like that was such a fun character interaction. I mean, I feel like you can't get any better than that. So Peter Pan is down there. That is so funny. But on top of that, this is the next day. So Hook and Smeed are taking pictures with Nathaniel, Jason, Nala. And as they're taking pictures, he remembers Nathaniel. He remembers him. And so he decides he's gonna chase. I don't know what Nathaniel said to upset Hook again, but that led to Hook chasing Nathaniel down the hall. Such a funny moment. And then Jason, Nala comes to help. But Jason's such a scaredy cat. Hook and Smeed are now leaving to go, you know, because their time with the photos are over. Oh, it's okay, Hook. It's okay. It's okay. He said no. You're giving him a headache.
Yeah.
You're giving him a headache. Look, bye. And that was such a cool experience. All right, we're scrounging. I got Nala's hair bow so I can do her hair when we get there. Our next memory is from Peter Pan playing hide and seek with the kids. All right, let's watch that and then start making our way out the door. Like, this is all in the same cruise, mind you. All in the same cruise. Peter Pan is out. We're standing in this long line to get pictures in the grand hall by the staircase. Nathaniel spots Peter Pan, starts talking to him. Peter Pan asks if he wants to play hide and seek. So they begin to play hide and seek. Nala gave it away. So Jace found Peter Pan. And it's so funny because they're running all over the grand hall trying to look for Nathaniel, which Nathaniel is hiding in a really good spot, by the way. So they go all over the grand hall looking for him. And the crowds of people, mind you, that's trying to get pictures. Finally, he found him. He was hiding by the stairs. That's so funny. So we're next to take pictures, so Peter Pan had to bring the kids back. So they said their goodbyes. So cute. All right, let's go. I got it. I'll do your hair when we get there.
No.
Please. I'm going to put your bow on when we get there.
No.
No?
I don't want it.
Why are you so mean? Okay, all right, let's put it on. All right, you are so mean. But hey, let's put your hair bow. She's ridiculous. I'm still gonna have to fix it because it's braided and I gotta take the braid out. Butt head. All right. Done. Another one of our favorite things to do on a Disney cruise is eat at Enchante, which is specialty adult only dining. All right, let's go. She wanted to say hi. Say hi again. You want to say hi to?
Hello.
Hello. All right, we are making our way out the door. Let's go. This list of things is no particular order. We're walking a beautiful hall, and we see Lumiere over to the right on the lamppost, and we continue to walk, and we see this beautiful chandelier was supposed to be a representation of bubbles, of like champagne popping and bubbles. The food here is absolutely amazing. Good quality, great presentation, very delicious and beautiful. Definitely Instagram worthy, picture perfect meals for sure, and they taste just as great as well. The desserts are also amazing. Moving on to Palo. If you know, you know. Palo brunch in particular is my absolute favorite. Let's walk down the beautiful hall of all the different Beauty and the Beast characters as we enter into the Rose Lounge. Let's go enjoy some brunch. We never really got a chance to hang out in this lounge because we're always in a rush. But the Palo brunch is to die for. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It's definitely a must, and it's definitely something that sells out, especially if you're on a shorter cruise. It's hard to get reservations for Palo brunch. These dishes are absolutely amazing. You have the chicken parmesan on a bed of risotto, steak and green beans, lasagna. And then all of this food, you can order whatever you want. So it's like $55 per person. If I had like 3 entrees, same with dessert, you can order whatever dessert you want. We pretty much ordered like one of everything. Almost. I think it might be like, we have like, what, 3 different desserts here out of maybe like 6, I think. We made our way.
I do realize that we're wearing the same.
I know.
The same color.
It wasn't intentional.
See, blue,
We didn't.
black. You got to put that in.
A little 2025 humor.
What is that?
Yeah, we're not bringing it into 26. We're leaving it at 25. All right, let's keep going. And now we are on to the Icon of the Seas, which is one of the world's largest ships. Sister ship is Star of the Sea, which is the 2 largest ships in the world. We are going to be boarding her. She's so beautiful. One of my favorite places to eat there is Azumi, which is a sushi restaurant. So delicious. Moving on to my favorite. This is probably one of my favorite things to do. Is definitely my favorite thing to do on a Royal Caribbean ship. Chef's table. It is an experience where the chef prepares his dishes. The chef just cooks to perfection. This is what the food is looking like. We have our starters. That's the chef right there talking, telling us what meals we're going to be eating. This smoked tomato soup. I know it's tomato soup, but it's delicious. And it's like smoky flavor. It tastes like a barbecue in your mouth. So good. This right here is the lobster. Best lobster I ever had in my entire life. This is the branzino, which is absolutely delicious as well. This steak, it is so heavy and so good. And by the time I got to this, I was absolutely stuffed. You back to the potatoes, though? I need my potatoes, though. I'm gonna need to get his recipe. I'm gonna need to get that recipe.
You know you can't cook.
I like garlic. So good. And then this was our cocktail. And then dessert, which was like a ball of, like a chocolate ball situation. They pour caramel over the top to melt the chocolate. And then in it is ice cream with some pieces of popcorn. Really good.
That's how you gotta get ready right there.
Oh, he got his popcorn. He wanna grab some snacks for real. And then the star of the seas. Every time we go on Royal Caribbean, we have to get a chef's table. So the last chef's table we did, right on the icon, was just me and Billy. That's why we was able to really record that. If you guys seen that vlog, we was able to record everything in detail. Star of the Sea was quite different because we had a full house. Everyone wanted to eat chef's table. Same exact food, the menu absolutely the same, no difference there. Everything was absolutely delicious as before. Moving on to the Disney Magic, which is Disney Cruise Line's original ship. One of our favorite things to do is get a massage, and so this massage, I think the Disney Magic probably was the best massage we ever had. That couples villa that we did, that was the first time we ever done that. It was so amazing. So you walk in, gorgeous room, and then you walk into the separate room which has a jacuzzi in it. So beautiful. You have a view of the ocean. We could sit out here, drink our tea, relax, and just unwind. We get to pick the teas that we want, and then they prepare that for us. So amazing. Look at Billy, he's like zoned out, sleeping. He looks like he feels so good. And then Nala got to do Bippity Boppity Boutique for the first time. It was her birthday. She turned 3. Bippity Boppity Boutique is 3 and older. And she picked out her dress. They did her makeup. They did her hair. Her fairy godmother sprinkled fairy dust on her and allowed her to make her wish. And then it was revealed to her transformation into Princess Elsa. She was so pretty. So pretty. And then our last vacation was the Disney Destiny, Disney Cruise Line's newest ship. We got to meet the godmother of the Disney Destiny, which was really, really cool. Definitely a highlighted moment. We got to see Heroes and Villains One Night Only show, which was really, really awesome. They sang a lot of songs from your favorite Disney movies, whether it was villains singing or heroes singing, didn't matter. They sang it all. And it was such a beautiful show. So amazing. And that pretty much sums up our 2025. And so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I didn't go too fast. We love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. See you in 2026. Bye, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!